Find the perimeter of a given rectangle. Perimeter means the distance around the shape or length of one-dimensional that measures units. Units are very important when talking about the perimeter. So, for example, a rectangular tablecloth has width of 1.5 meters and the length of 2.8 meters. So, how many meters of lace trimmings should be bought to make its borders? So, to find the perimeter of rectangular tablecloth, the perimeter of rectangle is defined as the sum of all sides of a rectangle. So, this side is the same as the other side. So, this is also 1.5 meters. And the length side is equal measure of the other side. The length of 2.8 meters. So, the perimeter of rectangle formula is perimeter is equals to 2 times length plus width. So, substitute the value of the length and the width. So, perimeter is equal to 2 times 2.8 plus 1.5 meters. So, 2.8 meters plus 1.5 meters is equal to 4.3 meters. So, 2 times 4.3 meters is equal to 8.6 meters. Therefore, the perimeter needed for the lace trimmings is 8.6 meters. Find the area of a given triangle. To find the area of a triangle shown, we use the formula area is equals 1/2 times base times height. Since the base of the triangle is 18 inches and the height is 8 inches, we can plug this information into the formula to get 1/2 times 18 inches times 8 inches. Simplifying from here, it is important to understand that we can multiply these numbers in any order we want. For example, we can multiply 1/2 by 18, then multiply 18 by 8 inches, or we can multiply 18 inches, then multiply by 8 inches, then multiply by 1/2. The easiest way to do this problem is to multiply 1/2 to get 9 inches times 8 inches. So, 9 times 8 inches, 9 inches times 8 inches is equals 72 inches squared. So the area of a triangle shown is 72 inches squared. So notice that the height of the triangle is not one side of the triangle. It is important to understand that the height of the triangles does not have to be the side of the triangle. Find the circumference of a given circle. Circumference is the distance around a circle. To find the circumference of the circle shown, we use the formula circumference is equal to times pi times the radius. So in this problem, however, notice that we're given the diameter instead of radius. To find the radius, remember that the radius of a circle is equal to half of the diameter. So the radius of the circle shown is equal to half of 14 centimeters. So this is the radius, 7 centimeters. Now find the circumference. We plug 7 centimeters in for the radius in our formula. So 2 pi times 7 centimeters, which simplifies equal 14 pi centimeters. So one way to write the circumference of the circle shown is 14 pi centimeters. Next, remember that the pi is approximately equal to 3.14, so we can plug 3.14 for pi, and we have 14 times 3.14 centimeters, which simplifies 14 times 3.14 is equal 43.96 centimeters. So another way to write the circumference of a circle shown is 43.96 centimeters. Find the volume of a given cylinder. In this example, we're asked to find the volume of a given cylinder. To find the volume of cylinder, we use the same formula to find the volume of prism. Volume is equals the area of the base times height. Notice, however, that the base of a cylinder is a circle. And remember that the formula for the area of circle is pi times the radius squared. So, volume is equals pi times the radius squared times height. So to find the volume of a given cylinder, since the radius is 7 meter and the height is 10 meter, we can plug this information. Pi times 7 meters squared times 10 meters. Remember that 7 meters squared is the same thing as 7 times 7, which equal to 49. And we have pi times 49 meters squared times 10 meters, which simplifies to 490 pi cubic meters. So one way to write the volume of a given cylinder is 490 pi cubic meters. Next, remember that the pi is approximately equal to 3.14, so we can plug 3.14 in for pi, and we have 490 times 3.14 cubic meters, which equal to 1,538.6 cubic meters. So another way to write the volume of a given cylinder is 1,538.6 cubic meters.